Autonomous combat vehicles. Unmanned combat vehicles can now operate for 35 miles per hour across hostile terrain, carrying 1,000-pound payloads while making life-or-death decisions without human intervention. The U.S. Army's Robotic Combat Vehicle program is creating the world's first truly autonomous ground combat force. Despite recent program reassessments due to drone vulnerability concerns, companies like Overland AI have demonstrated remarkable capabilities with their Ultra Vehicle system. During 2025 testing, soldiers controlled these autonomous platforms through 15 live mission scenarios, including kinetic warfare, electronic attacks, and payload deployment. The vehicles successfully navigated complex terrain without GPS, adapted to changing battlefield conditions, and coordinated multi-vehicle operations in real time. 4 prototype systems from major defense contractors, including Textron's Ripsaw, General Dynamics TRX, and Oshkosh's RCV, have undergone extensive evaluation. These platforms can transport supplies, conduct reconnaissance, and engage targets while keeping human soldiers out of harm's way. The modular design allows rapid reconfiguration for different missions, from counter-drone defense to logistics support in contested zones. While the Army continues evaluating cost-effectiveness against drone threats, the underlying technology demonstrates unprecedented autonomous capabilities. Future iterations will likely integrate swarm intelligence, allowing multiple vehicles to coordinate attacks, share intelligence, and adapt tactics dynamically, creating an unstoppable robotic ground force.